Hey guys, what's going on? Back at it again. Got a nice place for you guys if you like to eat like I do. Come check out. They also do catering and it's downtown local. There's breakfast served every morning starting at 7 a.m. And there's a beer hall connected to it. Let me get the camera spun around to show you. It's actually a pretty neat story as well. Stand by. Make Ready used to be the Cadillac area when they had sales downtown where they'd send the cars and make ready once they were sold. Let me get you over here so we can go check it out. Let's do the walk around on the outside first. That's actually pretty interesting too, because this is part of the whole area where, what is it, Cavender Cadillac? They even got a Cadillac still there in the courtyard. Now this is an office building. Look at it. Lego buildings, or the office buildings. Get a good look of them. All right.
A lot of work.
I know. Time for coffee.
A nap.
Yeah, too. That too. Oh. All right. This one, Idle Brewery, beer and brewery. Fair use, fair use, fair use. Stand by, guys. Let me get you some water right here. Okay. Unfortunately, this water station does not work. Fair use, fair use. Nice friendly people as well. Oops, I don't know how to zoom. Nice friendly people, great selection. Check that out. Tuesday karaoke, if you're into that. Check it out, check it out. Do it right on site. Just another entrance. All right. Let's see if this is water. Um, that's hop water? I don't know if I should try that. You only live once. Good call. And I gotta fill up the water right here. Sandbar, guys. Alright, we're back at it. I had to finish my hot water. Let's go finish this walkthrough. So check it out. So this is the outdoor patio area. Alright. This is dope beverage section. You need a coffee? Get one at Anita. Alright. Take a Molino, huh? Check it out. And they serve alcohol. Four Brothers in the corner. Colombian food. Arepas. Got Thai Bird in the corner. I don't know if they're there. Of course, there's ice cream as well. And bowls to go. Restrooms in the corner. Alright, Four Brothers Venezuelan kitchen. Heck yeah, brother. Excuse me. How you doing, brother? Alright. This is just another entrance over here. We got Avenue 8th Street, and if I'm correct, I should know this street. Avenue B. All right, guys. Once again, guys, at the Make Ready building. Get you across the street so you can get a good look at it.
You have like a travel vlog or anything? You do like a travel vlog?
Outdoor therapy times?
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Once again, get outdoors, get some outdoor therapy, get some tasty food if you're in San Antonio downtown. Avenue B, 8th Street, 10th Street. Come down, find some parking. Pete's Tacos, Mila's Coffee, Make Ready. Alright, guys. Make sure you love each other and love yourselves. Get outdoors and get some sunshine and fresh air. Catch you later, guys. Bye.